we are going through how a life of a Muslim should be. How should you be behaving in this community in which you live? So here we are at school. How is Islam teaching us about our behaviors within the school premises, and also when we go back to our home? How are we supposed to behave as Muslims? Allah Jalla Jalaluhu told us in the Holy Quran that that I swear that generation, innal insana lafi khusr, indeed human beings are doing much, are working, are doing this and that, but they are making a lot of loss. Illa alladhina amanu, except those people who are not living in loss, are those who are believers. Illa alladhina amanu wa amilu salihat, except those people who are not going to make loss in this worldly life, are those who believe in Allah wa amilu salihat, and they do righteous deeds and they do good things. People who are going to be in this world and they live well, and when they live the worldly life, they go back to their Lord, the one who created them, in good terms with Him, are those people who believe in God, those who believe in Allah, وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ, and they behave well, they do good things, they practice good deeds, وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالْحَقِّ, and they also advise each other to be truthful. If you want to be in this world when you are good, when you are well, when you are okay, when you are a good person, you are supposed to be a truthful person. A Muslim is always with the truth. You are not supposed to be a liar. You are not supposed to be deceiving people. When you speak the truth. When the truth is told to you, the truth from Allah wa Ta'ala, from the Holy Quran or the Hadith, the stories of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when the truth from the Holy Book is told to you, you are supposed to be believing in it, because you and the truth move together. When you are speaking, you speak the truth always. That is how you are going to live in this worldly life when you are not in loss. وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ, and also do righteous deeds. The Muslims who are going to, the people who are going to stay in this world not in a loss, they are those people who are going to do good things, good deeds. You have some food, you give to your friend, also the one who doesn't have. You are seeing someone in trouble, you assist that person. Here we have the other swimming pool at school. Someone is drowning in water. Someone doesn't know how to swim. You assist that person if you are told you are around, you are near. Someone is having any challenge and you have the ability of assisting. We are advised, we are taught by our religion of Islam to always do good things to save our fellow human beings whenever they are in trouble. To behave well in general, we are taught by our religion of Islam to believe in Allah wa Ta'ala, to be always truthful people, to avoid being people who lie, and also lastly we are being advised to do righteous deeds, to do a lot of good things. If you know that something is bad, beating your friend is bad, stealing your friend's property is bad, abusing people, disrespecting teachers, disrespecting parents is bad. Anything you know it is bad, you are advised, and I'm also advised, we are all advised to leave bad things and do good things, like obeying the teachers, not disturbing in the class, being serious with our studies, doing what is right in the right time with bi'idhnillahi. And also after the school, we go back home, we are also advised to be good people towards our parents, towards our neighbors, towards everyone we live with. We ask Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to put us among those who listen and put into practice.